Good afternoon children, welcome back to EVS subject. Today we are going to start a new lesson number 8, let us build a house. In this lesson, we will identify the different types of houses and we will know about the different materials used for construction of a house. See children, have you seen the construction of a house nearby your home, nearby your school? Yes, everybody have seen the construction of a house. But we need many things to construct a house. So, in this lesson, we will learn about different materials used for the construction of a house. See children, you have seen different types of houses in your locality. Yes or no? Yes. What is a house and why do we need a house? See, we need a house to live. Yes sir? Yes. Without a house, we cannot live. House gives protection from the rain, wind and sun. Isn't it? Yes. House is one of the basic necessity of our life. So, we need a house to live. Yes. We have seen different types of houses and all are different from one another, right? So, in this lesson, we will learn about different types of houses. See children, some of the houses are given here. Look at the picture, identify them and write their names in the space provided. So, first one is hut. So, write it here. Second one is seat house. Third one is bungalow. Fourth one is apartment. Fifth one is tent. Sixth one is detached house. Seventh one is farmhouse. See children, these are different types of houses and here different types of materials used to build these houses. Okay. There is an activity, so let us complete this activity in your textbook only. Which are the materials used to build the houses that are shown in the pictures? Make a list of them with the help of your friends. Types of houses. First one, hut. So, to build a hut, what you need? Here, this side you write materials used. Here, first A part, types of houses and B part, materials used. So, first one, write hut. To build a hut, what you need? To build a hut, we need wood, mud, leaves, sand. And second, sheet house. To build a sheet house, we need sheets, mud, bricks, metal. And third one, bungalow. To build a bungalow, we need metal, cement, sand, tiles. And next, you write apartment. To build an apartment, we need bricks, stove, sand, cement, metal, tiles. Next, fifth one, tent. To build a tent, we need canvas, rope, nails, metal rods. Next, you write detached house. Sixth one is detached house. To build a detached house, we need sand, rocks, clay, wood. Next, seventh one, farmhouse. To build a farmhouse, we need bricks, cement, sand, stone. So, like this, you complete this activity in your textbook, children. Next, now visit different types of houses in your locality with your friends. See the materials used there. See the houses which are under construction. Observe the materials used there. Okay. Next, how are the houses constructed? Explain in your own words. See, according to the plan of an engineer, a house is constructed by using the materials like bricks, cement, sand, metal, stone or rock, wood, tiles and glass. Okay. Next on the page number 77. The picture of different houses are given here children and there is information also beside the picture. So now you have to fill in the blanks and complete the information. So first one is tent. I am a tent. I am not a permanent house like other houses. You can stay inside me for some time. To build me, dash dash means canvas, rope, nails, metal, rods are enough. It is also easy to shift me from one place to another. See, a tent is not a permanent house. It is easily carried from one place to another. Okay. Second one, I am a hut. Too many materials are not needed to build me. For my construction, wood, mud, leaves, sand, stone are enough. I am very simple. See, hut is a simple house and it does not need more materials. Just with the help of few materials you can build the hut. Okay. Third one, detached house. My roof is made of tiles. The materials required to build me are mud, sand, rocks, bricks, cement, metal, wood, clay, tiles. See children, this is made of tiles. This house made of tiles. Next, fourth one is mud house. My roof is thick. It will be cold in summer and warm in winter. Do you know why? My roof is built with mud, soil, sand, clay, straw. See children, this mud house cold in summer and warm in winter because air gaps in mud helps to remain cold in summer and hot in winter. Okay. Next, look at the picture. Look at my terrace. How nice. I can resist heat, rain and wind. Therefore, many people appreciate me. Make a list of the materials needed to build me. See children, this house has walls. Yes or no? Yes. This house has walls, doors, windows, roof, floor. Right? Yes. So, to build wall, doors, windows, roof, floor, we need different types of materials. Right? So, which are those materials? Write it here. So, first one, what they given? Walls. To build a wall, what we need for wall? We need bricks, cement, sand, rocks, paint. Next, for doors, what we need? For doors, we need wood, steel, metal rods, paint. For windows, what we need? For windows, we need wood, fiberglass, metal rods. And for roofs, what we need? For roofs, we need bricks, cement, rocks, metal rods. And for floor, we need bricks, cement, sand, rocks, tiles. And like this, you complete this activity in your textbook. So, to build a house, we need different types of materials. Okay. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you children.